Hi Scott, this is Hunter from Medford, Lithia, Volkswagen. Just wanted to run out here and get a quick walk around video on this 2007 Dodge Ram 2500 Power Wagon. I know it always helps to see the vehicle a little bit better in person, opposed to pictures, so this always helps. So let's get to it. Let's take a look at this thing. Looks like it has someone added a snorkel onto it, although it's not actually tapped through the system, more so for looks on there. You got the nice looking Ram wheels on there, which are 20-inch, and then wrapped in those wheels are some brand new all-terrain tires. I think it's been coated underneath. And then of course, being the Power Wagon, we have the solid axle up front. Big rear axle. We have the tow lights on the roof. And then of course, being the Power Wagon, we have the hidden 12,000-pound Warren winch back there. Let's get to the rear of this truck so we can see it a little bit better. Look underneath here. Exhaust coming out there. Of course, tow package. And then this one has the, of course, the 4-prong under here, and then your 7-blade right in here for different towing capabilities. Looks like this one had a roll-in bed liner at one point. Around here to the other side. Being a Power Wagon 2, they sit just a little bit higher than the other 2500s, giving that extra ground clearance, bigger tires on there. And here in a second, we'll actually take a look inside the truck so you can see that as well. Let's come around and take a look inside. Rear seats, we got the nice durable floors in here to get muddy feet and not destroy the carpets. This one is the 6-seater. Let's take a look in the front here now. Power windows, power locks. Has trailer brakes right in here. 4-wheel drive on the floor for nice reliable 4-wheel drive. Cup holders. And here, being the Power Wagon, we have our axle lock, front, rear, and then our sway bar disconnect. Of course, AC up there. We have the cool Dodge gauges on there. But anyways, that is a quick look at this 2007 Dodge Ram 2500 SLT Power Wagon. If you have any questions, just let us know. Hopefully this video helped.